Hi everyone, welcome back to jalian.co.uk. I've got the Fallout crate for you here from Loot Crate. I think this is April's. I don't always get the Loot Crates on time, but they usually are pretty good. Okay, so first up we've got the t-shirt. That's pretty nice. Then, it's a drawstring bag with a little pocket at the front. Pretty nice, that feels like it's cotton. Then we've got an Assaultron figure. The next piece in the builder fig, which is the right arm for the Deathclaw. A nice pin. And something a bit strange. It's like an art print, it's really small. And that's it. Thanks very much for watching. Don't forget to hit subscribe and like, and we'll see you next time.